because I've put the eyebrows back a little bit. Brush them naturally with an eyebrow brush, and then fill them up a little with a super light color. Use eyebrow dye cream to bring it a little bit and it will become a little eyebrow. The hair is fine, and then let's draw eyeshadow. There is only one brown in it. Color, base, color. After that, all the others are super beautiful products. Our eye makeup is better then. It's easier. The color is very light, so you should apply a lot of eyeshadow directly to the eyes. The skin is smudged in circles from the roots up. Deepen the roots probably did. That's good. Small fluffy brush, because at first I wore it in front of me. Dress hole ello saliva heavy. Click to deepen tail long, forget to go. If you have eyelashes, fake them a little bit and draw a bed with eye powder. Silkworm ran. Then use eyeliner to make the tail first. Take a drooping eye. Head along. Down to the brush, smudge nature. 1, 1, 1. Spray the brush wet and dip it in this color, and then brightening eyes dizzy. Dye a little bit and then use your fingers. Go a little. Just put a little bit on the eyelids. Dip this white again. Spread in an egg saliva. Then we'll paint blush. Just hit that sunburn type today, and then draw a darker number and press it with this small stippling brush. Draw a little laugh all over. Lips.